All right, this one we got a service call for weeds. Every spot along the driveway. This is probably one of our most amazing properties. I mean, this guy lives up on a hill. It's freaking awesome. Look at this place, it's beautiful. Beautiful. We treat everything you see, except for down there. But yeah, this place is freaking awesome. Oh. Well, this one's gonna be fun. Usually I don't like to go through flower beds, but for this one I gotta make an exception. I ain't gonna do anything, hurt any of this ground cover. Just spraying the edges all the way down. What are we seeing here? What kind of weeds are you seeing? Let me know in the comments. Oh, there's a dandy. We all know the dandies. That's the easy one. What else did you guys see? There's another dandy. All right. All right. Can't power through much more, so I'm gonna come back down and reposition the truck down this hill. That way, we'll shoot that dandy over there. And keep that low. You don't want to hit any of those plants. I know the camera can be very deceiving. I am not hitting any of those branches. That's a no-no at the greenskeeper. We don't kill trees. Look at this place. That is awesome. That is awesome. Looks like I collected a stick. One of the many things that come with you on this job. Alright. Hopefully that's far enough to get this thing reeled in. Looks like we did a max out. Whew. It's a fun one. Alright. Whew. Your boy is out of shape. 4 months on my 4 months out of surgery. Back surgery, so I'm gonna be a little out of breath. See that we unraveled the whole reel. I think this one's 300 feet. pulling that hose up and helping it come along, because if not, if it pulls on that too much, it'll blow a hose, or a fuse I mean, and that's never good. We usually keep spare fuses in the glove box, but I don't want to blow a fuse. Go down the hill and then call it good. This one's always interesting to get in and out of. I'll probably pull that 3-point turn here. More like a 5-point turn. Yeah. 7-point? Oh well, we'll get it done. The important thing is not to hit that guy's truck. Look at that place. Serenity. All right. All right, park right here, get out, get her done. We'll create them droplets. Spray that concrete so you know where you've been. You'll notice up here, I'll know where I left off because I have sprayed the concrete. Yeah, I think. You see right there? That's where I stopped. There it is, wild violet. And we got the stuff to take care of that today. Nice. think of this property? A dream property? I think it would be my dream property, that's for sure. There's that knot again. Better not do that again. Be wrestling hose the rest of the day. You know, all that means is I made too many lefts and not enough rights. Well, too many rights and not enough lefts. It happens. I'm not that worried about it. I know how to deal with it. Alright. There's a view of the bottom. Y'all got a great view of the top. What a heck of a property. Back this truck up and get that last little area.